everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo. Enjoy the night and good night.
Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla received Fabulous Award at Asia Artist Awards 2023, held for the first time at the Philippine Arena. Maraming mga fans ang naghihiyawan at nagpapalakpakan nung tinanggap na ni Catherine ang kanyang parangal. Makikita natin rito na mas maraming sumusuporta kay Catherine kaysa ni Daniel. By the way, congratulations to both of you. Kung bago ka pa channel ko, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga videos in-upload ko. Thank you for watching and God bless to everyone!